See, that's what I'm talking about soldering sins right there. That is some sinning soldering jobs. This is a sin. Oh, you know what's a sin? You know what's a sin? This fucking temperature is a sin. Goddamn motherfucker, I don't know what this means. I don't know how many degrees this means, okay? This is not fucking Fahrenheit for sure. I don't think it's fucking Celsius either, bro. I don't know what the fuck these numbers mean. I don't know. These are just made up numbers, okay? Whatever. I'm working with fake temperatures. Whatever. Anyway, back here. Back to this. Just turn it up all the way. Who cares? We'll fucking do it live. Show link. That's one winner.